Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to make Ogbono soup. This soup is mostly eaten in the eastern part of Nigeria, and I'm so excited to make this video for you guys. So let's get into it. So you want to start by seasoning your meat with blended onions, salt, and seasoning cube. And you're going to be stirring together, and you're going to be adding in a little water, just little water, and stir together. Then cover and allow it to cook for roughly 10 minutes. And let me teach you how to make Ogbono mixture. Get your Ogbono, blended Ogbono, in a bowl. Add in palm oil, enough palm oil. The recipe measurement is in the description, so make sure you check. Then I'll be mixing together thoroughly. This is what you get. This is the consistency you get after mixing. Then I'll be checking in on my meat, and I'll be steaming my Ogbono mixture. I'll cover and allow it to steam for, let's say, 5 minutes. And after steaming for 5 minutes, I'll be stirring together so as to allow the Ogbono to dissolve. Then this is the consistency I get after mixing together. So this is a perfect mixture for you. Then I'll be adding in my cowback chips, also known as ponmo. Then I'll be stirring together, then cover and allow it cook for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I'll be stirring together, and I'll be adding in my smoked fish. At this point, you can add in your stock fish, but I'm not really a fan of stock fish in this recipe. So you can make use of your smoked fish and stock fish and whatever protein you like. Then I'm going to be adding in my scotch bonnet. You can use your yellow pepper, any type of pepper you like. Then I'm going to be adding in my crayfish, locust beans. You can use ugwu if you want. Then I'm going to be stirring together, and I'm going to cover and allow it cook for 3 minutes. Then after 3 minutes, feel free to bring out your fish at this point. Don't be like me. And I'm going to be adding in my Ogbono mixture, little by little. Then I'm going to be stirring together, and this is what I get. This soup is too thick. Then I'll be adding in water because this is not the consistency I want. So I'll cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Then after 3 minutes, see what we have here. Yeah, this is the consistency you like to get. Then I'll be having my pumpkin leaf, also known as ugwu leaves. Then I'll be stirring together, and voila, this is what you get. Let me know if you'll be trying this in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.